A sequence is defined by the linear recurrence relation u of n plus 1 equals 0.6 un plus 5, where our initial value u0 is 8. So we want to now try and find the value of u3. So we're going to use the information we have and substitute these values in our recurrence relation. So to get u1, we need to take 0.6 and multiply it by our current value, which will be u0, our initial value, then add 5. So it's going to be 0.6 multiplied by 8 and add 5, and we get 9.8. To get u2, I need to take 0.6 and multiply it by my current value, which is 9.8, and add 5. So let's substitute in 9.8 for u1, calculate it, get 10.88. To get u3, I need to take 0.6 times by u2, which is my current value, and add 5. So we'll substitute in the 10.88, calculate it, and we get 11.528. So our value of u3 is 11.528. Another part of this question is we want to find the smallest value of n for which u of n is greater than 12. Now there's no shortcuts to this. We've got to use our recurrence relation here, and we'll just continue on. So we've already worked out u3, which is 11.528. So let's work out u4. So u4, we're going to take 0.6 and we're going to multiply it by 11.528, add 5, we get 11.9168. Then to get u5, we're going to take 0.6 plus my current value, which was the 11.9168, add 5, and we get 12.15008. Well, here we've calculated a value that is greater than 12. So the smallest value for n, which u of n is greater than 12, is going to be n equals 5. As you can see, anything smaller would have been less than 12.